seat with up to 9 Gs. That's 9 times the force of gravity. After completing the turn, the F-35 will power straight up into the vertical and then quickly change directions, flipping end over end in a maneuver we call the lightning loop.